One of our oak trees has been infested with these orange striped oak worms. Now, doing a little research, they say they are harmless. They will defoliate a tree in late summer. It is August right now, and that's what they are doing. As you can see, they have decimated plenty of these leaves here. Now, unfortunately, what they say is, hey, just leave them alone and they all should die off. I don't like that solution. So what I am going to do is try out this Sevin Insect killer. See if that'll give a little bit of relief here and save this oak tree. So I'm going to give a little squirt to this whole tree. See if that takes care of the problem. Wow, they're really up there. So hopefully this will help and get this oak tree to come back to life. As always, thanks for watching. Please give a like and a follow. And until next time, have a great day.